What's up guys, Jason here. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to easily find chunk borders in Minecraft. This method works on 1.20 and on all platforms of Minecraft Bedrock, whether you play on a phone, tablet, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, or PC. The first step is to make sure your coordinates are showing. If your coordinates are not showing, you can go into your world settings, then turn on show coordinates. After your coordinates are showing, go to a spot where your X coordinate and Z coordinate are both evenly divisible by 16. That means whenever you divide the X coordinate by 16 and the Z coordinate by 16, you get numbers that don't have decimals. The X coordinate is the first coordinate. The Z coordinate is the last coordinate. To find out if a spot has X and Z coordinates that are both evenly divisible by 16, you can use a calculator. For example, at this spot the X coordinate is 919. 919 divided by 16 is 57.4375. Since 919 divided by 16 equals a decimal answer, that means that it cannot use this spot. I'm now going to check if the X and Z coordinates at this spot are evenly divisible by 16. At this spot, the X coordinate is 912. 912 divided by 16 is 57. The answer does not have a decimal, which means the X coordinate is evenly divisible by 16. At this spot, the Z coordinate is 480. 480 divided by 16 is 30. The answer does not have a decimal, which means that the Z coordinate is evenly divisible by 16. The spot where both the X coordinate and the Z coordinate are evenly divisible by 16 is the northwest corner of a chunk. After you have found the northwest corner of a chunk, place a block on it. You can place any type of block that you want. After you have placed a block at that spot, stand on it. The next step is to find the east side of this block. One easy way you can do that is by opening an empty locator map. Once you have done that, turn until the arrow is pointing towards the right side of the map. As you guys can see here, whenever I face this direction, the arrow is pointing towards the right side of the map. This direction is east. Now place 15 blocks on the east side of this spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After you have placed those blocks, go back to the northwest corner block. Then find the south side of this block. You can easily do that by opening a locator map. After you have opened a locator map, turn until the arrow is pointing towards the bottom of the map. As you guys can see here, the arrow is now pointing towards the bottom of the map. This direction is south. Now place 15 blocks on the south side of this spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After you have placed those blocks, turn to the side. Then place 15 solid blocks over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After you have placed those blocks, turn to this side. Then place 14 blocks over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After you have done that, you should have an outline that is 16 blocks wide and 16 blocks long. This area is one chunk. The chunk borders are located on the outer sides of the outline blocks. For example, this is where a chunk border is located at this chunk. By the way, chunks go from the bottom of the world all the way to the top. Once you have outlined a chunk, you can easily find nearby chunks. To do that, first go to one side of the chunk you outlined. Then place 16 blocks over here. You can use any type of block that you want. After you have placed those 16 blocks, place 15 blocks over here. Then place 15 blocks over here. Now place 14 blocks over here. After you have placed those blocks, there should be an outline that is 16 blocks wide and 16 blocks long. This area is another chunk. By the way, the chunk border between these two chunks is over here. This method of finding chunks also works using negative coordinates. I'm now going to demonstrate using this method with negative coordinates. The X coordinate at this spot is negative 672. Negative 672 divided by 16 is negative 42. The Z coordinate at this spot is negative 192. Negative 192 divided by 16 is negative 12. Since when both the x-coordinate is divided by 16 and the z-coordinate is divided by 16, they don't equal decimals, I know that this spot is the northwest corner of a chunk. Once you have placed a block at the northwest corner of a chunk, you can use a locator map to find the east side of it. To do that, open a map and position yourself so that the arrow is pointing towards the right side of the map. Since the arrow is pointing towards the right side of the map when I face this way, I know this direction is east. Now place 15 blocks on the east side of this block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then go back to the northwest corner. Now find the south side of this block. To do that, you can open a locator map, then position yourself so that the arrow is pointing towards the bottom of the map. As you guys can see here, whenever I face this direction, the arrow points towards the bottom of the map. That means that this direction is south. Now place 15 blocks on the south side of this block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After you have placed those blocks, place 15 blocks over here. Then place 14 blocks over here. As you guys can see there, those blocks should outline an area that is 16 blocks wide and 16 blocks long. This area is a chunk. I hope you all enjoyed learning how to find chunk borders in Minecraft. Please like, comment, subscribe, and check out my other Minecraft videos. Thanks for watching.